Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onibest and you're welcome to Onibest Beauty Patente B. So guys, in this video we'll be doing the last lesson on Divieto. Okay, after this lesson we'll be heading straight to Obbligo. So the next video I'll be dropping is based on Obbligo. Okay, now guys, this sign is seen under SIGNALE di Divieto, though it is not a Divieto sign. But I've always told you from the beginning that I'm not going to add anything and I'm not going to remove anything, just as it is in the Patente B theory in the app. That is how I'm bringing it out in this channel. Okay, no adding and no removal, remember. Okay, but this sign, indicazione sign, is seen under SIGNALE Divieto. That's the last lesson you see in chapter 3. Okay, chapter 2 is SIGNALE di pericolo, while chapter 3 is SIGNALE di divieto. So this is the last sign you're going to find in the divieto sign. Okay, so we'll be learning about it today, and the next video, like I said, I'll be dropping SIGNALE di obbligo. Okay, let's see what this sign is telling us about. Now, this is Parcheggio, Preavviso di Parcheggio. That's the topic we'll be treating today, Parcheggio and Preavviso di Parcheggio. Now, this is Preavviso di Parcheggio, and the first one is Preavviso di Parcheggio. Now, you see this sign, when you see it on the road, it is telling you of a parking ahead, not immediatamente, not when you see the sign. It is telling you of a parking spot ahead of you when you follow the direction of the arrow. In this case, it is telling you that 300 metri, you're going to see a parcheggio following the arrow. Let's read. It says, il segnale preannuncia una zona di parcheggio procedendo nel senso della freccia. In questo caso, a 300 metri. Now, this sign tells you ahead of a zone where you can park. Okay, following the arrow. In this case, it is telling you 300 meters, following the arrow to the right, you're going to see a parking slot. Now we have this second one, which is the parcheggio itself. This is parcheggio. On seeing the sign, the parcheggio starts now. On seeing the sign, you are allowed to start parking. We're going to see what this sign is, okay, and more about it. Let us read on, okay. Now it says indica un parcheggio autorizzato. Now this is an authorized parking slot. Osi un'area attrezzata ed organizzata per sostare a tempo indeterminato. Now you can park here for as long as you want. What does it mean when you see the sign? You can park, you can forget your car there. You can just leave the car and go. Nobody's going to ask you why the car is being parked here. No, you can park it there for life. Now, remember, in the case whereby you see a sign telling you, okay, we want to do something in this place, for example, your street, and you see the sign tells you can park, and there's maybe they're doing a festival and they want to make use of the street, they are going to put a sign ahead of time telling you that you guys should clear this street. We want to make use of it in this festive period. Okay, except in that kind of case, okay, you are allowed to park here for life. Except, let me see other reasons. I think it's been indicated here. Let me just read further. Okay, now it's 24 hours to 24. Let's sign valid for 24 hours to 24 hours. Salvo diversa indicazione, except it is being indicated otherwise. Now it says può essere integrato con un pannello che indica. Now this sign can be seen with another pannello. Okay, it can be seen with another additional panel underneath it. 1, telling you the distance. Number 2, it is telling you la limitazione nel tempo, the time limit which you can park. If it has been placed with another pannello indicativo, telling you this, okay, you can see it with those ones. You can see it alone, just like you're seeing here. You can also see it with another additional panel, which is going to indicate in it what it is actually trying to tell you. Le categorie a cui la sosta è riservata o quella che sono escluse. Now, I'm going to tell you the category of people that can park here and those who are excluded to park here. Okay, it's going to tell you if it has another panel integrative or another panel underneath it, whatever that it needs to tell you is going to be indicated there. Orario è le tariffe, and it's going to tell you if it is parking that you have to pay for, or if it is parking disco orario, telling you, okay, you can park it for the next 30 minutes, you can park it for the next 60 minutes. I've actually done a video on disco orario, okay? I'll be leaving that here for you to go and watch it. Try and watch this video, okay? This is disco orario, very, very important. So you understand that kind of parking, what you need to do when you see that sign. Okay, also have the one for pagamento, the one you can pay. With the blue line, okay, when you see it on the road, you can pay. They have a stand which you can go and pay and then take your ticket from there. Now, la disposizione dei veicoli. Now, you have other ones again telling you the another panel indicativo, your disposition of your vehicle if you go park for that place, ok? Non è vero che indica un'area di sosta con parchimetro, che può essere integrato con un pannello che indica la superficie disponibile. In order to say this sign, they tell you of area di sosta con parchimetro. Only the sign. Only the sign does not tell you of area di sosta con parchimetro, where you can pay and park. Now, we are dealing on only the sign, except it is being indicated with pannello integrativo, telling you of otherwise. This sign is Parcheggio for as long as you want, except it is being indicated otherwise, except it is being placed that, okay, you guys are not supposed to park here for one or two reasons, and if it is been approved, then you should obey the sign. Okay, but on seeing the sign, you do not have to fear. You can leave your car as long as you want. Okay, now that's the difference between this sign and the one that has integrativo, pannello integrativo, that tells you of disco orario, that tells you the one of tariffe that you have to pay for. Okay, but when you see the sign, guys, be free to park. You have to know the difference, and you have to know the difference between this particular one and this one. Very important. This one does not tell you should start parking immediately on seeing the sign. It's telling you you have to follow this arrow if you want to see a parking slot. You have to follow the position of the arrow. You have to follow the direction of the arrow. 300 meters, you're going to find a parking slot. That's the difference between the Preavviso and the Parcheggio itself. Okay, this is Parcheggio, tempo indeterminato. Okay, I hoped you guys understood this particular subject, but if you do not understand, feel free to leave it in the comment section. I will treat it. I'm going to come back and treat it for you if there's need for that, or if there's need for me to explain via a video, I will do that. Okay. All right, guys, thank you for watching. If you're just coming across my channel and you have not subscribed, you're going to be missing a lot. Okay, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button and, of course, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to know. Very, very importantly, like my video if you love what I'm doing here. Give me a thumbs up, support me. That's the only way to say thank you. Okay, please give me a like. If you want to share my video, you are going to be doing me a huge favor by that. So please, do not hesitate. If you have the mind to share my video, please do. If your mind is telling you share, please share. Okay? That's the Spirit of the Lord telling you share. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, we have come to the end of this video. I'll be posting video on SIGNALE di obbligo soonest. Okay, so please do not miss out on that video because that will be the lesson 1 of chapter 4, SIGNALE di obbligo. Do not miss from lesson 1 and start watching from 5, 6. You're going to be missing a whole lot. You have to follow us step by step on the way. Okay. All right, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.